Potassium is one of the elements that exists in the periodic table of elements. The symbol for potassium is K. The number of protons for potassium is 19. Therefore, the number of electrons is also 19. Electronic configuration for potassium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Based on the electronic configuration, we can see that potassium has 4s1 as the valence electronic configuration. So, this means potassium is located in the s block. Since potassium has only one valence electron, it is in group 1. Potassium has 4 shells of electrons, therefore, potassium belongs to the 4th period. Overall, potassium exact location in the periodic table is in S block, group 1, and period 4. By comparing the size of potassium with 2 other elements from group 1, sodium, which is on top of potassium, and rubidium, that is below potassium, as progressing down the group 1, the size of elements increases from sodium to potassium to rubidium. The number of electrons also increases from sodium to potassium to rubidium. As going down group 1, first ionization energy decreases, so there is more shielding effect between the nucleus and outer electron, making the distance increases. Therefore, the force of attraction between nucleus and outermost electron reduced from sodium to potassium to rubidium. 2 other elements are selected from the same period, which are calcium and gallium, to compare the size of elements with potassium, where potassium is bigger than calcium and calcium is bigger than gallium. This is due to atomic size gradually decreases from left to right across a period of element because protons are being added to the nucleus, making it more positively charged. This will cause a greater nuclear attraction. Nucleus attracts the electron more strongly, pulling the atom shell closer to the nucleus. Valence electrons are held closer towards the nucleus of atom. Therefore, the atomic radius decreases from potassium to calcium to gallium from left to right. The stable ion for potassium is potassium ion, K+. Since there is only one electron in the outermost of 4s shell, potassium will donate one electron to achieve octet electron arrangement, thus gaining stability and form K+ ion. When potassium loses electron, it will form a cation, potassium ion. This will cause a lesser mutual repulsion between electrons than the potassium atom, thus causing the effective nuclear charge to become stronger and pull the electrons closer to the nucleus. Therefore, potassium ion has a smaller radius than potassium atom.